Hi. So today we are discuss about the elevator car types and the elevator basic layouts. So basically, in elevator car types, we have three different types of cabin. It depends on the placement of the door. So normal cabin and open throw cabin and the diagonal cabin. So we will see the one by one what are the major difference in these cabins. So in the normal cabins, so only one opening is there. So the door operator is situated in the front side of the cabin. So this is normally our car depth and this is our car width. So in the through opening cabin type, so we have two openings in either sides. So from front side and the back side also. So this is one type of one another type of the system. So in this diagonal cabin, we know that diagonal means, so this is a diagonal. So our door operators is situated in this diagonally, situated in the diagonal positions. So elevator standard layouts. So based on the counterweight and car positions, we have divided into four different kinds of car layout. So the car with the side opening and the counterweight located at back wall. So this is one type, and another type car with center opening door. Counterweight is located on back side, and the car with side opening door and counterweight is located one side, and car with central opening and the counterweight is located at one side. So these are the four different kind of elevator layout is there. So car with side opening door and the counterweight is located at the back side of the walls. So this is our counterweight. It is located at the back side of the walls, and this is we clearly identify this is a side counterweight side door opening. This is a telescopic door actually. Then this one is a center opening door, similar one, back counterweight and with center opening door operator assembly is there. So this is our landing door and this is our car door. So two operator are coupled with both. And this is side counterweight with the telescopic door. So this is our normally landing door with a telescopic assembly. Then this is car door with the telescopic assembly. The counterweight is left side of this cabin assembly. So then the similar one we have a center opening with side counterweight. So these are the basic layout for elevator systems. So if you want any further details, please comment it below. Comment it below. We will have an brief section about this all layout and individual, how to go through this layout and how to see the drawings and what are the elevator basic components like a sing assembly, how elevator function and how the overspeed governor is working, how the safety gear is activating. Everything we will discuss in future further videos. So thank you all.